GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Hi, welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast. Before we get into the story today, Renee, you're okay. Keep doing what you're doing. And listen, Craig, don't worry about it. It's going to be all right. You play, you pay, but it's going to be all right. Listen, guys, I am getting into something old but very new because it's an interesting concept. Michael Strahan, yes, big, giant Michael Strahan, nice strapping little guy, makes $17 million in 2006 with Good Morning America. Has and had because his kids are grown now, but had a parenting coordinator. A parenting coordinator. Okay? Not a parenting counselor, not a parenting coach, not a parenting somebody who just got you up on everything, but a parenting coordinator that he and his ex-wife both paid for. Now, the story is not that they were accused of not paying them. That's old. The story that I have is that I never heard of a parenting coordinator. Let's think about that. How do I get someone to help coordinate my parenting? Well, let's think about it. You think about it. Could you imagine you and your child's other half, the non-custodial parent, or you being the non-custodial or the custodial parent, getting together and say, let's get a coordinator because we can't figure this out. A parenting coordinator. And what they would do is say, okay, let's look at your schedule. And based upon your schedule, then they coordinate when you all get to co-parent. Dang, that's a great idea. Just never heard of it. In fact, think about that, and who would you get? Let's say, could you rely on one of your friends to be a coordinator? And he or she relied on one of their friends to be a coordinator. So you pick two coordinators, and the two coordinators get together, they look at your schedule, and then all of a sudden, they lay it out how you all are going to coordinate co-parenting. Sounds like a good idea to me. I'll tell you why right after this word from our sponsor.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
Okay, I'm back. Did you think about it? How could they coordinate your being a parent with the other parent? Co-parenting, but you have a parent coordinator. Let's say your friend Aisha and his friend Robert got together, looked at your schedule, and came up with how you would work together as parents. That's a great idea. Do you have any friends who might want to do that? Probably not. But guess what? If you get a parent coordinator, you got to pay them, all right? But do you see how much that would help? Coordinating together. Who will have them after school? Who will do homework? Who will take them to practice? Who will take them to swimming? Who will go to PTA? You can coordinate it through a third person. Are you willing to do that? Think about it. A parenting coordinator. Won't tell you how much it costs, but it costs a little bit, but it might be worth it, because what you don't spend in the emotion of pulling out when you do this, when you do that, that emotional part would be taken away, and it's all about what? Starts with a C, ends with a D, child. That's what I'm talking about. Redefining child support. We're now working together through a parent coordinator. Greatest thing that I've heard. Strahan, good deal. Back in 2000 something, you had a parent coordinator. Let's try this, ladies and gentlemen. Think about it. Text me, write me, and I'll see you next time on Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Take care now.